I have been using this Mucar 892 Bluetooth for over 3 months now, and I will make you short review, but also I am doing giveaway for this scan tool, not for this particular one, but you will get brand new Mucar 892 Bluetooth. Now later in this video I will explain how to enter this competition. It is very simple. So don't leave this video because you can get this amazing scan tool, full system scanner, bidirectional tests. It is pretty quick, you have built-in AI, service reset, so everything you would need as DIYer or even professional mechanic. And if you know me, you know that I tested literally hundreds of different scan tools, and this is one of my top favorites. Especially good for used car checks. Now I am connected to this E46. I just bought it yesterday. I need to check for faults. But already I have been using this one for about 3 months. I've used it for about 20 or 30 vehicles. I have scanned fault codes. I've used service resets. For example, I did whole TPMS service reset, also with that additional TPMS tool that you can connect with this scan tool. So I fixed the whole TPMS system for my friend. I have used it to code bunch of things, especially if you work with European cars, BMWs, VAG vehicles like Volkswagen, Skoda, Seat, Audi. It has very good long coding helper, so you can code easily. It is basically same like VAG dedicated tools, for example like VCDS. It also comes with built-in AI, so for some fault codes, if you don't understand what they mean, you can just use this Mu AI. Now for that we have to be connected to internet, so you don't have to be connected at all times, but for these features like using AI, you will have to use internet connection. So I will connect to my phone hotspot. Let's try one more time. And now the AI will explain this fault code, so you can get better understanding of what that means. Then you can also do a bunch of options guided by AI. And of course I did already review for this, so I will not showcase everything that it can do. It is full system scanner, very good for checking used cars. I am doing a lot of used car checks, and there is a bunch of features you can use. For example, if you go back and go to this service resets, here is odometer, not this one, this is for rewriting odometers, but this is auto check, service reset, and basically what this does, it will check mileage in every control module. But other than that, in total you have like 35 of service resets. For example, I did this DPF regeneration, my friend had problem with DPF filter on his Chevrolet. You have a lot of these service resets you can choose from, so even if you are working with modern cars, where you need to do a lot of this, even to change brakes or battery, you can do it with this scan tool. Now I am doing giveaway for this scan tool. This is with cooperation of my Thinker website. That is also the cheapest place to buy this scanner, so it will be linked in description. Now to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and comment under this video and tell me which scan tool are you using now. Or if you don't have any scanner, then comment you don't have any scanner, but I will be choosing from YouTube comments. And then if you want to double your chances, also go to my Instagram. There is another separate giveaway and you can enter 2 times, one time on YouTube and second time on Instagram. I will link my Instagram in the description as well.